Welcome to Tech Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bold text in Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or you can just go to Google and search for Slack. I did that. Now I'll go inside slack.com. Then just give it some time. It will load your My Workspace. You can just click on Launch to join it. Then just give it some time. It will launch the workspace. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it a few seconds. It will load your workspace for you. And after that, just wait for it to load the workspace. You can click on Home and find all your work channels. And from here, just go to any of the channels. And you can click on this. This is the formatting. You can show the text formatting over here. Then just type anything. Hello, everyone. And just highlight all of it and click on this B icon. This is the bold icon. You can also go for your keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl plus B. And after that, this text will be bolded. You can then send it. Let me also send the normal one to show the difference. As you can see, the first one is bold. And basically, that is how to bold text in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.